Humor is a great way to deal with stress and make you closer to people. We do not have control over some things that happens to us, and we start blaming ourselves for the wrong things without realizing that we are getting tougher or how these things shape our future. My name is Abhishek and welcome back to my channel @AbhiKiJubani. I hope you all are healthy and hearty. Well, as per the introduction, you get to know that today we are going to discuss finding humor in bad situations. So, don't go anywhere and watch till the end, as we will cover two important aspects which are quite beneficial for everyone in tackling such problems. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share. Humor is the thing that makes you feel relaxed, and for some time you forget about bad happenings. Every comedian had some dramatic past. They all found humor and become a comedian because they knew that laughter heals every pain and headache. Don't take life too seriously. It's good to find humor whenever you start taking life too seriously. We have just one life and we have to enjoy it. Whatever our situation, we must make ourselves accessible and start enjoying life. Sometimes death reminds us how to live life and make the most of every opportunity. Sometimes we fall for a person who is not suitable for us, and we know that we lose more and more. But what happened in the end? Our heart breaks due to that person. That time we always curse our luck and are heartbroken. Laughter heals our pain and takes us to life. Our heart becomes more robust and we learn how to move on. Then we laughed on the nights we cried over stupid things. We cannot change what has happened, but we can make ourselves more relaxed about those things by finding humor so that we feel good and can decrease stress. We must forget about the past and try not to repeat those mistakes. It requires hard work. It is not easy to find humor in a bad situation. Sometimes a condition worsens for you. So remember positive things and the good time you spend with your family and friends. It will help you build up again, heal your wounds, and make you feel happy that you face troubles and don't let them weigh you down. We must build up the habit of humor. This can be done in different ways. Firstly, start taking things lightly and do not get stressed about everything. Secondly, start with the standard practice at your workplace or home. Lastly, look for the light side of the problems and their solutions. These main points will help you build up humor and help you when stressed. Humor is both positive and negative. A cheerful mood helps us to reduce stress, but a negative form of comedy, such as jokes, has a negative effect. It decreases social support, make it difficult to get attached to people and increase stress. No one wants to feel bad or sad whenever they recall their past. When you look back, what you want to see is the central question, because no one wants memories of crying or worrying about things. Instead of calling or being sad, make yourself about to learn the power of humor and find humor in a time of difficulty. Well, that is it for today. I hope this episode is helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and take care.